If you're responsible for collecting employee feedback in your organization, you already know the problem. Someone sends out a survey in an email. Half the responses come back incomplete. Some people reply to the email instead of the form. The ones who do submit give you answers you can't compare because everyone interpreted the questions differently. Then someone asks you for a report, and you're manually copying numbers out of a spreadsheet, trying to work out what the data actually means. Meanwhile, the whole thing is sitting in a third party tool that IT hasn't approved, costs money per user, and stores your employee data on someone else's server. There has to be a better way. And if your organization already uses SharePoint, there is. This is the employee feedback template for SharePoint, built with Infowise Ultimate Forms. It's fully configured, ready to run feedback system that lives entirely inside your SharePoint environment. No third-party tools, no extra licenses, no developer required to set it up. You install it with a single click, and you can have it running for your team today. Let me show what it actually does. This is what an employee sees when they open the form. The feedback is structured using a rating scale. Each question asks the employee to select a value from 1 to 5, from strongly disagree to strongly agree, covering statements about their overall experience, their fit within the team, their satisfaction with their role, and the support they receive. The layout is clean and straightforward. Once a response is submitted, the system enforces two rules automatically. First, employees can only see their own submission. They cannot see what their colleagues said. That's not something you need to configure manually. It's built into the template from day one. Second, once a response is submitted, it cannot be edited. The record is locked. That means the data you collect is the data that was actually submitted, not going back to change an answer after the fact. Site administrators, on the other hand, have full visibility and can view and manage all responses across the organization. This is the kind of permission structure that matters when you are presenting feedback data to leadership. You need to be confident the data is accurate, consistent, and hasn't been tampered with. This template gives you that confidence by default. Once you've collected responses, you need to do something useful with them. And that usually means presenting the results to HR leadership or department head or a management team in a format they can actually read and act on. Ultimate Forms includes a built in print and report capability. With a click, you can generate a clean, formatted summary of the feedback data, structured, readable, and ready to share. This isn't an export to Excel that you then need to format. This is a printable report or a PDF that comes directly out of SharePoint in a format suitable for a management meeting. No pivot tables, no manual formatting. No, I'll send it over once I've cleaned it up. The report is there, ready to go as soon as you need it. One more thing worth showing because this comes up every time. The template ships ready to use, but it's fully customizable. If the default questions don't match your organization's specific areas of focus, you can rephrase them, remove them, or add your own directly in the Ultimate Forms form designer without touching any code. This takes minutes, not days, and it doesn't require a developer or a support ticket. Any SharePoint administrator or power user can make these changes themselves. That's the core principle behind Ultimate Forms. You get a professionally built, enterprise grade system, and you stay in control of it. To summarize what you've just seen, a structured, validating feedback form that employees access directly inside SharePoint. Automatic permissions that protect response privacy and data integrity from day one. A printable report that turns raw responses into something that you can actually present. And full customization through Ultimate Forms. No code, no developer, no delay. The employee feedback template is free for Ultimate Forms customers, installed with a single click and running in your environment in minutes. If you're not yet using Ultimate Forms, a free 30-day trial is available at infowisesolutions.com. Everything you've seen in this video is included. Visit infowisesolutions.com to install the template, start your trial, or explore the full library of pre-built SharePoint solutions.